Think all injection spots are the same for your GLP-1 medication? You might be missing out on better results. According to research from Eli Lilly, the pharmaceutical company behind Mounjaro and Zepbound, where you inject can actually affect how well the medication absorbs into your bloodstream. Sadly, many people never learn this. They stick to one spot because their doctor briefly mentioned it, never realizing that a simple change could mean faster appetite suppression, fewer side effects, or better weight loss results. But don't worry, you're about to discover exactly which injection site works best, backed by real science. Whether you're using Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Zepbound, this video will show you how to maximize your results with simple adjustments. Now, here are 6 critical facts about GLP-1 injection sites that could transform your weight loss journey. 6. The 3 FDA-approved injection sites. Let's start with the basics. All GLP-1 medications are injected under the skin into the fatty tissue layer. According to the FDA and manufacturer guidelines, there are 3 approved injection areas you can choose from. First, there's your abdomen, specifically the area about 2 inches away from your belly button on either side. Second is your upper thigh, ideally in the fleshy front portion where there's more fat tissue. And third is your upper arm, on the back or outer side near your triceps. Same medication, same dose, same pen. But as we're about to see, the spot you choose could quietly be affecting your results in ways you never expected. 5. The absorption science behind injection sites. Here's where it gets interesting. In a clinical study conducted by Eli Lilly, researchers wanted to know if injection site actually mattered for drug absorption. They tested the same dose of Tirzepatide on participants, rotating them through each injection area with a 35-day washout period in between. According to their findings published in Pharmaceutical Research, the abdomen showed the fastest and strongest drug absorption compared to the other 2 sites. WebMD notes that fat in the abdominal area tends to have better blood flow, which helps medications enter the bloodstream more efficiently. The numbers tell the story. Blood concentration levels were up to 4% higher when participants injected into their abdomen versus their thigh. Now, 4% might not sound like much, but for a medication designed to suppress appetite and regulate blood sugar, that difference could mean better hunger control throughout the day. Simply put, your belly may give you the strongest effect from the same dose. 4. Side effects vary by injection location. Here's the part they don't tell you. That same Eli Lilly study didn't just measure absorption, they also tracked side effects at each injection site. And the results were eye-opening. The abdomen group experienced more nausea, vomiting, and constipation compared to those who injected into their thigh or upper arm. According to Cleveland Clinic, stronger drug absorption often correlates with more intense side effects, especially gastrointestinal ones. On the flip side, people who used their thigh or arm reported gentler effects, but they also noticed weaker appetite suppression. So here's what you're choosing between. Abdomen equals stronger medication effect, but possibly more digestive discomfort. Arm or thigh equals milder effect, but fewer side effects. This is huge if you're struggling with nausea or constipation. Switching your injection site might solve the problem without needing to lower your dose or quit the medication entirely. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. 3. Should you rotate injection sites? You've probably heard people say, always rotate your injection sites. But does rotation actually improve your weight loss results? The short answer is no, not directly. According to Mayo Clinic, rotating injection sites is primarily recommended to prevent skin irritation, lumps, or scar tissue buildup at one location. Harvard Health adds that repeated injections in the same spot can cause lipohypertrophy, a thickening of fat tissue that makes future injections less effective. But here's the key point. Once the medication is under your skin, it enters your bloodstream the same way regardless of where you inject. Rotation doesn't make the drug work better, it just protects your skin and injection quality over time. That said, If you're experiencing pain, hard lumps, or bruising from one area, rotation might help you find a better spot, but it's not mandatory for everyone. If you've found a site that works well without issues, stick with it. Recognize any of these injection struggles? Think you might be using the wrong site? Keep watching till the end because we'll show you exactly how to test which spot works best for your body. 2. What real users are experiencing. Outside the clinical studies, what are actual GLP-1 users noticing in the real world? According to user discussions on health forums and weight loss communities, many people report that abdominal injections produce faster effects, sometimes within just a few hours. They describe better control over food noise, that constant mental chatter about eating that makes dieting so difficult. One user shared, "When I injected into my thigh, I honestly felt nothing, like I hadn't even taken the medication." Another person mentioned switching from their belly to their upper arm helped them feel more normal while still losing weight, especially after struggling with severe nausea from stomach injections. WebMD notes that individual responses to subcutaneous medications can vary significantly based on factors like body composition, injection technique, and personal metabolism. The bottom line? There's no universal best site that works for everyone, but there absolutely is a best site for you, and finding it could be the difference between struggling and succeeding. 1. The simple experiment you should try. If your weight loss has stalled or if side effects are getting worse, try this evidence-based experiment to find your optimal injection site. Step 1. Stick to your current dose for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Don't change anything else. Step 2. Change only your injection site. Try your abdomen, then your thigh, then your upper arm, spending 7 to 10 days on each location. Step 3. Track how you feel during each period. Write down your hunger levels, nausea intensity, energy throughout the day, and digestive symptoms. According to Harvard Health, keeping a symptom journal helps identify patterns you might otherwise miss. After completing all 3 sites, compare your notes. You may discover that one area gives you significantly better appetite control with way fewer digestive problems. Or you might find that a weaker site is actually perfect for you because it keeps side effects manageable while still supporting weight loss. That tiny adjustment could save you from unnecessarily increasing your dose, switching medications, or giving up entirely. So the point is, where you inject your GLP-1 medication isn't just a minor detail, it could be the key factor that unlocks better weight loss, stronger hunger control, and fewer miserable side effects. The science clearly points to the abdomen as the most effective site for maximum drug absorption. But if you're dealing with nausea, vomiting, or constipation, your upper arm or thigh might be your personal sweet spot. Analyze your results, and don't be afraid to experiment, because what works best is what works specifically for you. Do you use GLP-1 medications? What injection site has worked best for you? Have you noticed differences between sites? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone on the same weight loss journey. And for more science-backed GLP-1 tips and health insights, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We've got more valuable content coming soon.